Hello everyone. So you have started watching Snappy Current Affairs channel. In this video you will see all the important topics of current affairs from the exam point of view. Important topic start Uttarakhand become first to pass Uniform Civil Code Bill first state. And next important, Reliance claims 2 places to 86th positions in Fortune Global list. Reliance Industries has been ranked 86th in this year list of Fortune Global 500. Its positions has improved by 2 places compared to last year. And next important, Alia Bhatt and Ranbir Kapoor star Brahmastra Part 1 Shiva won 4 National Films Award. Gulmohar received the Best Feature Film Award in Hindi cinema. And next important topics, name of biochemist Govindarajan Padmanabhan has been selected for the first Vigyan Ratna Award, New Delhi, August 3. Language famous biochemist Govindarajan Padmanabhan's name has been selected for the first Vigyan Ratna Award. The government has started this highest award given in the field of science this year. And next important topic, Sikkim become the first northeastern state to reinstate the old pension scheme OPS for state employees. Next important, under the Mukhyamantri Maya Samman Yojana, the Jharkhand government 50 lakh women will get Rs 1000 every month. The beneficiaries of this scheme will be women aged 21st to 50 years. The first installment will be given on 21st August. Application and verification will be online. And next important topic, government boost science and technology with budget increase and new initiative. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh, public-private partnership under research NRF to evaluate India's science and technology research. Next important, the government of India has allowed Maldives to export essential commodities from 2 additional ports for the financial year 2024 to 2025. And next important, Indian Navy submarine INS Selki is in Colombo, Sri Lanka on a 2-day visit. Next important topic, Delhi International Airport Ltd gave this information on Wednesday. Gave GMR Group lead in the Indal National Capital. Gandhi International Airport operates airport at start net zero by 2030. To capture carbon emissions, the target was set, which was ahead of time have achieved. And next important topic, Indian Air Force Subhanshu Shukla has been selected as the primary Gaganyatri for the ISS mission. The Indian Space Research Organization ISRO has announced the names of 2 Indian Gaganyatri astronauts for the upcoming India-United States joint mission to the International Space Station's ISS. And the next important topic, Serbia Novak Djokovic has won the gold medal by defeating Spanish Carlos Alcaraz in the tennis men's singles final of the Paris Olympic. Today's most important topic, the Best Actor Award was won by Rishabh Shetty. He received this honor for the film Kantara, Best Tamil Film Award, Ponniyin Selvan first. And next important topic, Milky Circus Disney legend has become the youngest artist to receive the honor. Next important topic, Rekha Sharma resigned from the post of head of the National Commission for Women after completion of her 9-year tenure. National Commission for Women established in 1992, headquartered New Delhi. First President Jayanti Patnaik, National Women's Day 13 February, International Women's Day 8 March. Next important topic, Mahakumbh 2025 Culture Village will be established in 5 acres. Next most important topic, Dinesh Karthik appointed South Africa 20 League ambassador. Karthik is the first Indian player to join this franchise tournament played in South Africa. And last question in this current affairs video, the Parliament of Thailand has elected Paetongtarn Shinawatra for the post of Prime Minister. Shinawatra is the daughter of former Thai leader and billionaire Thaksin's 37-year-old. Shinawatra has become the youngest Prime Minister of Thailand and the second female Prime Minister of the country. Shinawatra was elected to the post 2 days after the Constitutional Court dismissed former Prime Minister Srettha Thavisin. So you are watching Snappy CP channel. See you with the next current affairs video. If you have come to the channel for the first time, then you like, share and subscribe.